Hello guys!
In this video we introduce you to the ice rink on the Dolder.
It's the most beautiful ice rink in Greater Zurich area, especially during the Advent season, when the Christmas tree stands in the middle of the ice rink.
Later in the video we will show you how to get there and what offers you will find on the ice rink.
But let's get started and have fun on the ice.
The Dolder ice rink, built in the 1930s, is one of the largest open artificial ice areas in Europe, with 6,000 square meters. In the city of Zurich, the ice surface has been a popular meeting place for ice skating for young and old for decades.
A very special atmosphere is created in the Advent season.
Just in time for the first Advent, a beautiful Christmas tree is set up in the middle of the large ice field.
Skating around this tree is an experience of a very special kind. If you like the video so far, then give us a like and subscribe to the channel.
We will continue to publish videos with tips for activities in Switzerland.
But now back to Dolder Sports.
There is really a lot on offer here.
Right at the entrance you will find a packed calendar of events. The cloakrooms are clean, bright and spacious.
You can almost always find a free box.
Even the matching decoration is taken care of.
Here in the cloakroom area is also the large landing station. There are not only skates in all sizes, but also learning aids for the little ones for rent.
Even a skate sharpening service is offered. More details can be found on the Dolder Sports website.
You can find the link in the video description. Various clubs offer figure skating lessons and ice hockey training.
The curling club is also at home on the site.
The ice quality is always kept in perfect condition. The ice masters take care of this with their ice cleaning machines.
This is usually the time to strengthen yourself in the restaurant. There are various snacks and meals for the big or the small hunger.
Even fondue is available. You can comfortably watch the hustle and bustle on the ice rink with a cup of hot punch from the sideline.
So, you want to skate on the Dolder too? Then we'll show you how to get there.
The ice rink is high above the rooftops of Zurich, right next to the Grand Hotel Dolder. It's easily accessible from Zurich city and from the surrounding cities such as Winterthur and Uster. In the video description you will find a link to Google Maps.
If you come by car, you will find enough parking spaces on site. That's it. Thanks for watching.